Hey everybody, welcome back to the Aquatree channel. I'm Molly and I am so happy to have you joining us today. You've bought your system. Now where do you put it? Let's talk about it. But first, if this is your first time with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our awesome community. And if you don't find what you're looking for in this video, we welcome you to explore our other amazing videos. We have tons of valuable content to help you master your Aquatree game. From expert tips and tricks to wonderful insights from our community members. So, you've ordered your Aquatree and you're patiently waiting for it to be delivered. And then it occurs to you, but Molly, where do I put it? The simple answer is anywhere. There are a few things to keep in mind when finding the perfect place for your Aquatree. 1, make sure you have a strong flat surface. Slip and slides are great outside, but not so much for your Aquatree. 2, you're going to need a surge protector or GFCI protected power outlet nearby. Those seeds are going to need water, and your pump is the only way to get it to them. 3, if you have animals, try to pick a place those curious critters won't explore. Higher surfaces or more difficult to reach places are great locations to start with. 4, we love the outdoors, but indoors is better than outdoors when looking for a place for your Aquatree. Inclement weather, excessive heat, or cold can all affect the performance of your Aquatree and crop health. 5, other than that, the world is your oyster. Place it in your hallway, your office, your family room, your kitchen. The options are endless. And the good news? You can easily move the Aquatree around your home with each crop cycle so you can experiment with different rooms and locations to keep your decor fresh. Have you found the perfect spot for your Aquatree? Tell us in the comments or send us a picture or a video. We love hearing from our Aquatree family. Thanks again for joining us. I'm Molly, and I'll see you in the next one.